Exercise 7.10. A compound microscope has a magnifying power of 100 when the image is formed at infinity. The objective has a focal length of 0.5 centimeter and the tube length is 6.5 centimeter. What is the focal length of eyepiece? Now here the magnification power is given as 100 and the focal length is given as focal length of the objective is given as what? 0.5 centimeter and the tube length is given as 6.5 centimeter. We know the distance of least vision is 25 centimeter. So these are the data. Okay. Here the image is formed at infinity. Image is formed at what? Infinity. Therefore, the real image produced by the objective lens should lie on where? On the focus. It should lie on the focus. So we can write the tube length L is equal to V0 plus Fe, that is equal to what? 6.5 centimeter. This I am going to take it as 1. Okay. Now, the magnifying power for normal focusing, that is M is equal to, here we are going to use the formula V0 by U0 into D by Fe. Now, using lens equation, we know 1 by V0 minus 1 by U0 is equal to 1 by F0. Using this equation, I am going to write V0, rearranging this equation, V0 by U0 is equal to minus of 1 minus V0 by Fe. If you rearrange this equation, you will get it like this. So, M is equal to minus of 1 minus V0 by Fe into D by Fe. Okay. So, I am going to substitute the values. 100 is equal to minus of 1 minus V0 by 0.5 into 25 by Fe. Okay. So, it is 100 is equal to minus of 25 by Fe minus 25 V0 by 0.5 Fe. So this can be written as minus 25 by Fe plus 25 V0 by 0.5 Fe. So if I cancel this, I will be getting this as 50. Okay. So I will be writing here 100 is equal to minus 25 plus 50 V0 by Fe. Okay. Both the denominators are same. So I can cross multiply 100 Fe is equal to minus 25 plus 50 V0. Okay. So 50 V0 minus 100 Fe is equal to 25. So dividing by 25, I will divide it by 25. So what I will get in 2 V0 minus 4 Fe is equal to 1. Okay. This I am going to take it as 2. Now these are the two equations we have. I am going to multiply the equation 1 by 2. Equation 1 I am going to multiply by 2. So I will get it to 2 V0 plus 2 F0 is equal to 30. The equation 2 I am going to write it as it is. 2 V0 minus 4 Fe is equal to what? 1. So what I will get it? So subtracting. So while I subtract, what is this will become minus, this will become plus, and this will become minus. So 6FE is equal to 12. So FE is equal to 12 by 6, which is equal to 2. So FE is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find out the value for V0, substituting in the first equation. So V0 plus 2 is equal to 6.5. So V0 is equal to 6.5 plus minus 2. That is V0 is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So the focal length of the eyepiece is 2 centimeter and the value of the V0 is 4.5 centimeter.